It's a lot of seal. Trying to figure out what's what. I do not know what is Mitrit Bailey channel. That one is the trunk. This is the boot. Some of this stuff, I don't know. So I guess I'll start with what I do know. I only have one right hand door seal. Do I only have one? Oh no, left. Okay. So I think I know where these two go. Trunk. We'll start there. Installing the seal for the actual door. So you got two edges, and you have to match those little grooves. I gotta remove the old ones, but if you look, the old lip, this little lip goes towards the inside, and it will match up. Just try to match these up best you can. You'll know what side. I found this tint, and it works. A little bit of Windex. Oops, sorry. A little bit of Windex, a little pressure, and it goes right in. Showing you, better with two hands, but it doesn't damage it. And then you want to confirm by checking there. You use the same tool with a little bit of Windex. Goes right in. I don't know what else you can use, but it's working for me. And that's the first step. Many other seals to go, one at a time. Once you make sure, I don't know if you can see it. I had to find this little tool. In the back, it's a little lip. Just make sure that lip, oops, this lip locks in there. I'm guessing you push the seal inside, which looks the right way, because it looks really good. So once you seat the back, push the front like this, then you push this, and it feels really good. It's a slow process. Windex is your friend for me. Right, spray it, push the back, and then you push the front with the tool, not with your nails or no screwdriver or nothing sharp. And then you push that lip in. This door seal came out very nice. Took me a while, little by little. It's not hard. It's tedious. I will start from this side, go this way. When you start pushing this little clips, because it's straight, and then curves a little bit, but it's easier. And then that way it's nice and tight. This one didn't come with a clip here. That's the reason why I started over there. But it's very tight, very nice. these rubber bump stops go here, and came with 2 new ones. I don't know if I should install it or use the original ones. Don't look too bad. I may use, what the hell, I'll use the new ones. I'll save these, you never know. Old bump stops. Bump stops. Pack Performance. Oops. There's some nice seals. Not sure if they make it, but you know, they got it from